Hello. Today we discuss the topics cloud computing, cloud vendor, definition of Salesforce. Then the first topic is cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Is it a programming language, database, operating system, technology, or a tool? Basically, cloud computing is not a programming language, not a database, not an operating system, not a technology, and not a tool. Then, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a concept that introduced the rental concept in the IT industry. For example, if you need flat, then you pay rent. Similarly, if you need car, then you pay rent. On the rental basis, you buy Ola, pay rent, and use their services. Similarly, if you need electricity, then you pay rental amount per month. And what is cloud vendor? Cloud vendors mean who are offering cloud services to the customer on a rental basis. For example, if you want to take a cab on the rental basis, so many vendors are available. If you want to take a loan, so many banks are available like SBI, ICICI are the vendors. And one more example is if you want to take a SIM card, so many vendors are available. Some of the major vendors are given below: Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Oracle, GoDaddy, IBM, Salesforce.com, Alibaba, etc. Then we discuss what is a Salesforce. Salesforce.com is one of the major vendors who is offering cloud computing services. Salesforce is the world number one customer relationship management platform or CRM platform. Salesforce is a cloud application or on-demand application